the materials are different. The equipment configuration required for the sand washing machine production line is also different, which is mainly divided into two situations. 1. If the materials is all sand without stones, the configuration of the production line is as follows: hopper belt conveyor, sand washing machine conveyor. 2. If the material is certain big-sized material, the sand washing machine production line configuration is mainly the feeder jaw crusher, cone crusher, sand making machine, vibrating screen, the supporting conveyor.